I wanted to create a step-by-step on how to make a Fiverr gig. I don't know if anyone does this, but I thought I would do it really quickly and you can start making money straight away. So yesterday I actually made a video on how like the best kind of Fiverr gigs and the best kind of freelance gigs were out there, like video production, all those kind of things. So now I just want to do a step-by-step going through, well, there's 6 steps here, as you can see, all the way through to actually setting up your Fiverr gig. So here I'm on fiverr.com and let's say I will, now you have to pick something that you are really good at. I will edit any video and make your video content epic. There we go. I know I'm good at video editing, so I thought this is an easy job to do. Okay, so now let's go video animation, subcategory video editing, not defined. Let's search tags, video editor, YouTube video editing, videography, and then Premiere Pro. Okay, very simple. You can have 5 search terms. So click save and continue, and then it will take us to the next step. The next step is scope and pricing. So you've got 3 different types. Okay, so you can do just the normal thing where you have the basic package, or you can unlock your potential revenue with 3 packages, as they say. So let's just try that. Got it. And now you can have a basic, a standard, and a premium package. So let's name this package basic video editing, premium video editing, and then ultimate video package, let's just say. Now you have to say what you're going to be doing. So for example, edit up to 30 seconds of video. This can be edit up to 1 minute of video, and then edit up to 3 minutes of video. Okay, now the idea of this is we want people to actually message us before, rather than just go and buy a gig. So, because that way we can actually give them a custom price, and when you give someone a custom price, you automatically have 14 days to deliver. So let's do delivery time, 1 day, 2 days, and 3 days. Okay, footage provided by buyer, yes, so, well, that's in minutes, so we don't have seconds. So I'm going to leave that, because a lot of people just assume you're going to have a minimum of 1 minute. Right, this is starting at 15 minutes, so let's just leave that. Running time in minutes, well, this one will be 1 and this one will be 3. Color grading, we could do color grading for these 2. Sound and design mixing, we could do this one. Motion graphics, we could do this one. And then subtitles, we could do this one. Let's get rid of motion graphics, can't bother for that. Revisions, we can say 0, 0, and maybe 1, okay? And then let's start this at $25. Let's take this up to $70, and this is the big boy package. This is going to be $150, okay? Now you can put other things here, like professionally edit using Premiere Pro. I don't know if Premiere has an E at the end of it. Let's have a look. Yeah, it does. Okay. And then here you can say professionally edit with Final Cut Pro. So they know that this one here is a proper video edit. Right, and now you can do extra fast delivery as an extra. So you can do it in 1 day, let's say 1 day, and you've got, let's say 5, 15, and an extra 30. You could do color grading on the first one for an extra $15, because there's no color grading here. And then you can have subtitles. You can add subtitles on. This is going to be an extra $45, and this will take 2 days. And then you can click save and continue. Packages, extra file duration must be shorter than the gig delivery option. That already says 1 day. So let's move this to 2 days, this to 3, and this to 4. And now we can keep that as 1 day. Right, what's next? What's next? The next is the description. So firstly, what I want to say is, because the most important part of this gig is I want people to actually message me before ordering. So I'll put in here, stars, please message me before ordering so we can go over exactly what your requirements would be. And then you can just start talking about yourself. I am very, not English clearly, proficient. Oh, my spelling is terrible. I'm very proficient in video editing. I have been using Adobe Looking forward to working on your project. Now, this is probably not the best written thing here. You want to try and do a bit of copywriting, some decent copywriting here with all these different things here. So you've got, well, you have 1 bullets and bold. Let's get rid of that, don't want that. And you can add frequently asked questions, but to be honest, I'm not really bothered. And then you might need a requirement. So the requirement could be any video footage you need edited, plus any accompanying footage. Okay, add, save and continue. We're now up to the gallery bit. This bit is easy. You just have to add, let's browse and add a video. Let's go to, let's just use my intro. And then click that. And once that's uploaded, let's click save and continue. So video is under review, that's fine. I think they want me to add 1 image. Okay, so let's add 1 image. Let's go to desktop and add a screenshot of that. Click save and continue. This is just a screenshot from one of my videos, it's quite simple. And then it says almost there, let's publish your gig and get some bars rolling in. So click publish the gig, it's alive, right? It's really, really simple. That is pretty much the process of creating a gig on Fiverr. You can see how easy it is. If you haven't already done it and you're looking for some side income, you want to make a bit of extra money, then go ahead and start a gig in anything you feel like you're good at. So if I was doing this, I would feel like I'm good at video editing, which is why I did video editing. If you're good at photo editing, if you're good at writing, if you're good at music creation, whatever it may be, make some money by doing some gigs. There is no reason why not to. It's a great side hustle. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below. I think like 70% of my viewers aren't subscribed. So it's really crazy to think, and I'm really trying to get to 10,000 subscribers now. So just thank you very much for watching, and I really hope you subscribe and you come back for more videos every single day.